Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our series on solving interview questions for cracking data, machine learning, and web dev roles. Today's SQL question sits at the easy difficulty level and was asked at both Google and Amazon. So what does the question say? Given the table worker, find the first record of the dataset without using limit or order by. And here's a hint. Note, the earliest records correspond to the earliest employee IDs. Okay, let's look at what the table says. So select star from table name. Okay, so we need the first record, which is also the lowest worker ID, right? So we need to filter on the worker ID where worker ID is the minimum number, which is 1 here, right? So let's put 1 and run the code. Great. So we have the first record. However, to make this query more robust, we can do one more thing. Let me delete this. Imagine for some reason, Monica Arora leaves the company and this row does not exist in this table. So what does the first record become? It is for the worker ID 2, right? So it can be anything. So let's make this query more dynamic. So I'll add where worker ID equals. Now let's get the least number in this column, right? How do we do that? We do that with a nested query. So select minimum worker ID from worker. Let's run the code. Great. Now we have a very dynamic query that will always fetch us the first record of the dataset. Let's check if we are correct. And boom, we've solved the question. We solved a very similar question in the last video. The link for that will also be in the description, where we fetched the last record without using limit or order by. And we used similar logic. I hope you've enjoyed this one. Check out the description below for this query. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Like the video and share it with your friends. I'll see you next time. Ciao.
Okay. Thank you.